function on track. Told another one, yo homie, call me back. Not right now, I ain't in the scene, but when you're done with your task, know what I mean. A callback, it's a function you pass. Let it run later, not too fast. You don't pause, you keep on moving, then call me back when the job is grooving. Call me back when the job is done. Async vibes, we ain't here to run. Callbacks roll when the work is tight. Let the code flow, do it just right. Call me back when the job is done. Async vibes, we ain't here to run. Callbacks roll when the work is tight. Let the code flow, do it just right. Let's say you're fetching data, slow and steady. Server replies, now your callback's ready. Function's done, now bring the heat. Callback jumps and yo, that's complete. It's like ordering food, then chilling outside. They call your name when your fries arrive. You ain't waiting there like a frozen block. You move on, then return with a knock. Call me back when the job is done. Async vibes, we ain't here to run. Callbacks roll when the work is tight. Let the code flow, do it just right. Call me back when the job is done. Async vibes, we ain't here to run. Callbacks roll when the work is tight. Let the code flow, do it just right. But too many callbacks, that's a trap. Nested so deep, it's a callback gap. Callback hell, don't fall in that zone. Use promises of async, await when you're grown. So next time your function don't run on cue, pass a callback, let it come through. JavaScript life, it's an async game, but with callbacks, you're never the same. Code in deep, teaching with rhythm and stack. Just press play and I'll call you back.